Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, Sagittarius. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this gentle energy, Sagittarius. So if you are interested, you can watch that. That may give you more clarity in your situation. So let's start with these cards here. Sagittarius, we have Nine of Pentacles in reverse, Seven of Pentacles in reverse, King of Swords. So with these cards in your circumstances, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you have a lot of plans for you, for your life, maybe for your career or for your relationship. You're thinking about something important, but today you do not see clarity. Something is not going as expected, something may not be right. And in your circumstances today, all your dreams and plans are not manifesting as it should. And maybe you feel that the reason may be because you lack clarity. You don't know what will happen or what is the truth. Maybe in your work, it may be the case. Maybe when you're making some important choices about your work, it may be work related choices you're making, and you lack truth and you lack that confidence you need to have if you want to make it a success. The same way in this relationship, you do not understand this person. Maybe you don't know what is there in their mind or what are they thinking today, because you lack clarity. You do not know the truth. So some kind of what to say, you are someone holding on to certain ideals and beliefs, and you do things in a particular way, but this person may be someone different. They do not believe in all that. They do things, they go for choices which they feel right. Maybe they do not believe in anything. Maybe they just do things whatever they believe in and whatever they think is the right thing, and that may not work well for you. And you are someone really commanding, and you want to really be, what to say, you want to be the person they listen to. So some kind of maybe they are not interested in that. They do not want to listen to you for each and everything, and that may be the reason you are seeing some troubles in this relationship. Maybe they are not willing to listen to you, maybe not willing to listen to your ideas, because they have their own ideas, their vision, and that may be the reason you feel that you cannot trust them and you do not know where things will go. So some lack of clarity, confusion is there in your relationship when you're making some important choices. Maybe you're thinking whether you need this love, whether you need to take the next step, or what should be your next step. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. It's Five of Wands in reverse. So maybe for some of you, whatever troubles you are seeing in this relationship, maybe misunderstanding or arguments, all that will change. So your circumstances are definitely changing, guys. Maybe these fights and arguments are going to bring a better change. So that is what I see with these cards, Sagittarius. For your career circumstance, guys, we picked this card. We will see what it is. It's Queen of Pentacles in reverse. So, in your circumstances, maybe there are certain difficulties you may face. Things may not happen as expected, and you have some kind of anxiety about certain things, maybe about your future or about your projects, and you are suspecting certain things, uh, suspecting that certain things may not go as expected. So, a lot of speculation, a lot of uh, anxiety is there in your situation. But for most of you, your circumstances will resolve, I feel, Sagittarius. Things will change for the better. So, that is the reading for you all today, Sagittarius. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So stay tuned for that, guys. That is coming up right now, Sagittarius. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card, and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is your first card. I will keep this card aside. We will see what is the card for those who chose this card. So it is a Crystal Spirits card, guys, and it says Solar Light. So with this card, the energy is that maybe today, in your circumstances, you are healing from some circumstance you have been through. And healing does not mean that you need to be perfect, but you must be aware of the truth that you are a divine being and you're always connected to the universe or God or that higher spirit, whatever you call it. And that higher spirit or that conscious universe wants always the best for you. And you need to understand that when you know that you have that divine link, that unbreakable bond with that higher power, you will see your circumstance from a higher perspective, and you will not go back to your old patterns, whatever you wanted to move away from, guys. So that higher spirit can guide you where you need to be today. Maybe if you do not know what should be your next decision, maybe you are deciding something and you are not clear about those choices, you just need to meditate, be silent for some time, and you will get that answer you need. And you must always be present, be aware of your actions, be aware of your circumstances. When you do that, you will create your own future, whatever you wish for, and you will move towards your dreams and goals, whatever that may be. And it boosts your self confidence and inner strength to hold on to whatever dreams or goals or uh, whatever we want to do. So, those intentions, positive intentions. So, you will have that courage to hold on to all those positive intentions and your goals or aspirations, whatever it is. And this crystal uh, card is about that, guys. It is about non attachment in any circumstance and seeing your circumstance from a higher perspective. So you will make the right choice without a speck of selfishness, and you are going to make that from a higher ground, feeling really balanced and peaceful at heart. So, when you make such decisions, you will never go wrong. So, that is the energy here with this card, guys. So, let's see what is the second card for you all. We will see the second card. So, for those who chose this card, Snow White, purity. So, with this card, it just means that maybe in your circumstances, you have faced a lot. Maybe you have seen so much evil. You have seen people rejecting you or people really envious of you. But whatever bad things you have seen till now, it's not been enough to change you, because you are someone pure hearted, you are a pure soul, uncorrupted. And that is the beauty of your character. And maybe today your that beauty is going to shine. And even when others try to harm you and they are really bitter to you and they consider you as their rival, however they are towards you, you never reciprocate that. You never take revenge on those people. You just see evil, but you do not go for those what to say toxic feelings. You are someone pure hearted, and you're going to come out of these tests successfully, and your kindness will be rewarded. There will be trying times you are seeing today, maybe some challenges in your work or even in your relationship, but you are going to win, and you are someone really loving, caring, trustworthy person. And all that evil, whatever you faced, has not touched your heart, and you are a very pure soul. That is the energy with this card, guys. And you are good to everyone, and that goodness is coming back to you multifold, guys. And your kindness will always be rewarded. So you need not feel that you are really kind and compassionate, but people are not like that towards you. They are showing their angry side to you. You need not worry about all that, because with this card I see that your good nature is going to be rewarded today. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all. Thank you guys for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.